Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm joined by the fabulously talented Ola.
Hi!
Ola, tell us a bit about yourself.
So my name is Ola. I'm from Poland. I live in Ireland at the moment for the last 10 years.
What's that like?
It's nice. I got engaged recently, so I know.
Woo!
First time on video, first time on camera, so this is really uncomfortable for me.
I mean, I think she looks very natural, to be honest. And if you think Ola should create a YouTube channel, leave it down below. Ola, if you don't know, she's an interior designer, she's a visual merchandiser, she does window dressing, and she's a photography stylist, so...
A lot on my plate.
Yeah. So she has got it going on.
Okay, so from a younger age, I was interested in pretty things and things that match and look nice. Is always a thing. When myself and my now fiance were buying our house, like, it was a bit massive project, obviously, because we were looking around and there was houses that we liked and there was houses that we didn't like, houses that needed a bit of work and a bit of loving. So we ended up with one that needed a lot of loving. But that kind of just made me realize how much I actually love doing this stuff, and that combined with working in as a visual merchandiser in a furniture store obviously pushed me to do a designing course, study a bit of it, go into it and learn more about it and do more with it. So I would say probably my favorite project was our house that we're in now, because it was such a big project and it was our first one. And I'm really proud of it. Like, I wouldn't change a thing. The only thing that I'd change about our house is I'd make it bigger. Because like, it's a lovely house, we love it, but it's not our forever home. And it would be our forever home if it was a bit bigger. So, yeah.
Yeah, well, very interesting. I like that. So your favorite project was this one here. I suppose it's because it's like your personal and it's your own.
Yeah, I think it was like, it projects me, like, this is me, this is my
style.
Yeah, I'm comfortable here. And because it was such a big project, like including the walls, like the paint was coming off the walls, like the floors where everything was being ripped out and changed. And it was really exciting.
What a way to get into interior design, isn't it? Going straight into the deep end there with that one.
Yeah.
That's interesting though, that like doing this made you realise that
how much I actually love doing this stuff. Yeah. Now it would break your heart sometimes, so it really would. But no, I absolutely love doing this stuff. Yeah. Yeah,
it just shows like there's so many different ways to get into these like different like careers and stuff. Like whether it be by just going to college, whether it be looking through magazines, whether it's just doing like a whole house renovation.
Here's a house.
Go mad. That's really interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically just answer these, like the first things that come to your head, just spit them out there.
Okay.
Okay, so favorite colour?
Grey.
Okay, nice.
Can I have a few?
Yes. Okay. I mean, you already did.
Grey.
Like a child.
Grey, powder pink.
Oh, nice.
Mustard yellow.
Oh, nice.
Black.
Oh, yeah.
White.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I'm like, yes. Yes. Favorite drink?
Oh, white wine and coffee.
Hello. Any specific wine?
Oh, Pinot Grigio.
Pinot, yeah. And like, would you be like a coffee kind of very specific, or like would you just any coffee would be fine?
Americano.
Americano, yeah.
No milk, no sugar. Strong. Very strong.
Get to the point, done. Favorite destination?
That I've been or that I want to go to?
Been on or want to go to?
Oh. In the world?
Oh, both. Do like what you've been on, and then also favorite destination.
In the world,
like? Yeah. In the world.
Favorite place? No, okay. I love going to Cork. Cork in Ireland. I just love it.
Wow, so adventurous.
I know. Just love the vibe.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. And haven't been many places, so I
Well,
don't
you're
have
in
much.
Cork, you know, you're awful lucky to live in a place where it's Ola's favourite.
And I love Amsterdam.
Amsterdam,
I just the city is
Yeah.
just so quirky.
I've
I
never been
just
to
love it. Oh my
Amsterdam.
god, I love it's just
Yeah.
the vibe and the quirkiness and I love it.
Okay, well, noted. Favourite Kardashian?
Oh. Oh. Courtney.
Courtney, oh really? Okay. Because Courtney would be I think my favourite would be like Kim. Kim at the minute, Kim at the minute.
I just like Courtney.
Yeah, why is there something better that like...
I don't know.
Yeah, so she's more into design, isn't she, as well?
She
like,
is, and her daughter's name is
Homeschool.
Penelope,
Oh,
which I
yeah.
love.
Oh, and your dog's called Penelope.
My dog's called Phoebe.
Phoebe, oh, sorry. I mean tomato. Favourite design era?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a tough one.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, would it be like a combination of a few, or
I don't know if I have a favourite.
no?
No.
Like, is there a specific style era that, like, you know?
I love modern. Like, I just love modern, but at the same time, I love retro. Like, I love the 70s.
Yes. Oh, same.
Yeah.
Same. I would love your opinion on the colour of the year.
Colour of the year.
Yeah.
Like,
What's like Pantone's name the colour for this year? Which is classic blue for any who don't know at home.
I think it's nice.
Yeah, like
Doesn't work in all spaces,
no.
obviously.
Yeah.
You need to have a big space, a lot of light.
And what's your opinions on the whole overall concept of colour of the year?
Well, I mean, design, there's no really rules or anything like that. Design is really what you like and what you're into. Like, it's the same as going into someone's home and designing their home. It's them that's going to be looking at it. And it's them that has to feel good in it. So I don't really believe in colour of the year because...
Yeah, because like it's so subjective.
If I want to paint my house blue, I'll paint blue, even though it's not the colour of the year kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's also like, that's another thing that's also really exciting about interior design is every project you do is so different from the last because every client is different and they have different like wants and needs and aesthetics, which is very exciting. Okay, so your opinion on a degree in design. Do you think it's a necessity, or like would you value a piece of paper or work someone's done more?
I would value work more over a piece of paper. Yeah. Anyone can have a piece of paper and not be good at what they do. Yeah. Like, obviously, if you're a doctor, you need the piece of paper.
Or a vet, or like something that's actually saving lives.
I think in interior design, you just have to have a flair for it, and you just have to know, like, you just know something looks good together, and you just put it together, and it works. So I think that's, not everyone has that, no matter if you study it or have a piece of paper.
In it, like it's,
you might have that, but you mightn't have the eye for it. So I do think in this field you need to show your work, show that you can do it, more than present a piece of paper saying, "Oh, I did this course, I read this."
I studied from a book. Because like it's so different. I mean, I'm very biased on this, but I do think it's like it's being taught as well by people who have learned from a book, you know. So like you're not really getting the full on like, and also everyone's different. Like some people learn better by doing.
And I'd be that type of person. I need to see something do it, and I know it. Like it might take me a week to study something from a book, but if you show me once, I'll know how to do it again.
Because you're doing. You know? It's like everyone's different in that part, you know. 5-year plan. What does your life look like in 5 years?
So in 5 years, obviously we'll be married. Hopefully we'll have a little baba.
Yeah. Oh my god.
As regard to my career, well, obviously it will progress. Hopefully.
Well, we'll get to it.
So that's really
5 years.
5 years. 5 years
thing
isn't.
It's not a long time.
And not a long time, no, and time flies. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Well, it's very like that. It's very like, you know, what will be, will be. Okay, so what will your life look like in 10 years?
10 years. So in 10 years, I hope to be my own boss. Well, obviously in 5 years, I'd hope to be my own boss. But yeah, that's the long-term plan.
Yeah, okay, now, I think that's long-term plan. What's your life like in 30 years?
God. So in 30 years, I hope to be retired on a beach somewhere in the world.
Just in like any specific destination?
No, just beach, just sun and beach.
Yeah. I like that. Okay. What's your star sign?
I'm an Aries.
Yeah, same.
There's a lot of Aries energy in this room right now.
And like, what are some key characteristics from the Aries star sign that you think that you have?
I think I'm very real. I don't sugarcoat things. I just say it as it is.
Oh yeah. You know if Ola's in a mood, like you know.
If you annoy me, you know.
Yeah, you'll know. And like, what's something from that star sign you think that's helped you in your career?
Oh, that I don't fake things. Like if I'm not happy with something, I'll just say it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm.
Yeah. Truthful.
I think that.
Like it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Who do you admire or who is your role model?
Oh. That's a tough one. I don't think I don't think I have a role model.
Really?
Yeah.
Myself. I'm my own role model.
I hype myself up every day. I don't have a role model. I'm not the type to like compare myself to someone else or base what I've achieved on somebody else's achievements. Like I do listen to a lot of like Gary Vee and Eric Thompson, like all these people that are motivational speakers and stuff, and they can trigger me in a way.
Like to get you kind of like, motivated,
But there isn't anyone that I kind of look at them and be like, geez, I want to be that person when I grow up. Like I'm my own person, so I make my own.
Very Aries thing as well. Okay, so are you single? Well,
I'm not. No. Soon to be wife.
Wifey. Do you want kids?
Of course I do.
Yeah. How many kids would you want?
Ideally, I'd have two. Because
okay.
I don't want to have one because I don't want them to be lonely. And then if you have two, then they're a pair and they can keep each other company. Then one is on their own again, which we don't want that. So and four is just too much.
4 is like, you're crazy.
I don't want to give Mark a heart attack.
Okay, what's been your biggest obstacle to date and how did you overcome it?
My biggest obstacle to date?
Who? The potline thickens.
It does. As I said before, being an Aries, like I don't fake things, like I say how it is, but at the same time, I've more confidence now than I did before. So I would say that was a big thing. That was my biggest obstacle, like I still don't think I'd be good enough sometimes. So like not thinking that I'm good enough would stop me from doing stuff or achieving things and getting far. I'd kind of just stay where I'm comfortable. Like this is really uncomfortable for me. Like I hate things.
I was like, so Ola, do you want to be on my design line? She's like, what?
So like this is really coming out of my comfort zone. Like so I think that would have been my biggest obstacle, is like just being comfortable where I am and like wanting to do something but not thinking that I'm good enough for it, kind of thing. Like.
Yeah, which is so crazy because like Ola is like so talented. Like that's why it's so like, what? You serious? You serious girl?
But yeah, that would probably be it. Like.
And like, what advice would you give to someone who has a similar kind of obstacle they're trying to overcome?
Get on with it.
Yeah.
Just do it. Like, what's there to lose?
Yeah.
What's there to lose?
Yeah. To lose.
Yeah. Just do it. Get on with it.
Yeah, that's good advice. Yeah. Okay guys, that's been Design Talk, and welcome back to like the next season of. I'm gonna have a lot more guests and a lot more fun. So
am I your first design?
yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Hello.
So it's an honor. yeah. So I really hope you enjoy this series. Hopefully you learn something from it. And before you go, we have a special announcement to make. Ola is so gracefully giving away a design consultation to one of you guys. So if you'd like to win, all you have to do is comment down below why you'd like to win, if there's a specific space in your home that you'd like to transform, or for future advice in your home, whatever is best for you. All you have to do is let us know down below. And also follow Ola on Instagram. That's another key. And I'll be checking. I will be checking. So, and share this video. And that's all you have to do. And the winner will be announced in the next Design Talk episode. So with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.